In the comprehensive excavation works carried out in the ancient city of Syedra, numerous olive oil workshops, which formed the basis of the city's economic wealth, have been unearthed. The massive crushing stones, the architectural arrangements belonging to the advanced press system, and the liquid separation pools discovered in these workshops prove that the city reached the highest technological standards of the ancient period in olive oil production. As it is known, olive oil was not only a staple food item in the world of antiquity, but a versatile product as valuable as gold, used as fuel for lighting in oil lamps, medicine in the medical field, a cleaning agent in bathhouses, and an offering in sacred religious rituals. The strategic construction of these production facilities, especially close to rich water sources and fertile agricultural terraces, clearly demonstrates that Syedra not only met its own needs, but was also an important metropolis at the center of a production, trade, and distribution network across a wide geography.